also worked with Safety Made Simple and developed our onboarding program, which is really important because this way, with using it, we've developed it. It goes over several weeks. We don't rush it, but we're sure the new people coming in have the training that they need to operate safety. And in today's environment, with not as many new people coming off the farm that know how to do things, we have people that come that have no idea what they're doing or the risk involved. And so it gives us a pretty good feeling of comfort that after they've gone through that and also personal training, that we have them ready to go on the job without being too much at risk from the start, because that's one of the, as you look at the statistics, that's where a lot of the accident happens, are the new people that come on that just don't understand what the risk is.